How to make money at home in quarantine, very important. I know all these crazy times that are happening right now with the quarantine and all these shutdowns and all that stuff. So we gotta learn how to make money at home and from anywhere. Because our jobs are in jeopardy and our businesses, we don't know what's going to happen with our business or our job, and it's very crazy times. So I'm going to give it to you right now. I believe that the best way to make money from home is with affiliate marketing. Uh, well, I'm not so forced and stuff, but if you want to focus on a business, building a business, affiliate marketing is a great business model because you get to promote other people's products, like I'm doing right now. Okay, you don't need to create your own products and nothing like that. You don't need to do any customer service or nothing. You can just talk about the product and promote it on the description. So you can see it. I recommend two products right now. The best training on affiliate marketing, I believe, is right below. And also, if you want to start your own affiliate marketing business, I have a great business in a box where you can just join right below. There's more information also right there in the description. So I recommend that training. The great training is a live training where you go and you learn how to promote other people's products. You don't need to create anything. You don't need to do any fulfillment or nothing like that. And you don't even need to be on camera or on video if you don't like to. I like to be on camera and I like to talk, but there's many different ways to promote a product and to promote anything. There's also solo ads that I like to use, where you just pay somebody who owns an email list related to your niche, and you just promote this product to this email list, and all the leads or the sales that you get are for you because it's all tracked automatically. So there's more information about how affiliate marketing works, what are the best ways to promote affiliate marketing products and all that stuff right below. It's a live training where you can join and learn tons of stuff from one of the best affiliate marketers in the world. Then, if you are interested in starting a business, right? That I'm part of a business where we sell all kinds of products, mainly health products. If you like health and all that stuff, and fitness is great. There's all kinds of products. There's also beauty products. There's also travel products right now. In quarantine, it's very hard to sell the the traveling products. But in the future, when everything reopens and all the traveling is allowed and all the planes, the flights, the hotels are open, this is a great opportunity to make commission from anybody that books a hotel or gets a flight. You get points and rewards and all that from this one business opportunity that you can learn more below, right below. You just put your information and you learn more about this business in a box. It's an affiliate marketing, and you can also build your team if you like. It's up to you. You can just promote the products, and make money that way. Or if you would like to build a team with other affiliates promoting and selling the product, you get paid from there also. So this is what I recommend. This is a great opportunities right now. The training that you can learn from this live training is great, and it's a free training. Okay, 100% free. It's going to show you how to, if you like the affiliate marketing route and you don't care about any particular niche, it's going to show you, this training is going to show you how to select the best products, the best selling products right now, and then how to promote it for free. It's, you don't need to pay anything. You only have to pay if you want to pay for something. You can pay for advertising, pay advertising like YouTube ads or Facebook ads or native ads or whatever, you name it. But you don't have to if you don't want to. You don't have to pay for anything, any product, any customer service, any fulfillment, nothing. Not even when you sell it. With affiliate marketing, like there's a business model I love to is drop shipping with e-commerce, where what you do is first you get paid. Okay, you sell a product and you get paid, and then with the money, what you do is you manage the whole transaction. You go and use part of the money to hire the supplier and just that, and then you have to coordinate the wholesaling. Then there's also customer service. If the buyer don't like the product, they come to contact you. But with affiliate marketing, you don't have to do any of that. You don't even need to use the money that you get paid to fulfill it, or to buy something else and then ship it, and all this customer service. You don't have to do any of that. It's all automated. When people buy the product that you recommend, that's it. You don't do anything else. If they have a problem with the product, they contact the product owner, the owner of the product. All you do is just put them together, and that's it. And you get paid 75% commission, sometimes even up to 100% commissions in the front-end offer. That's a great business model that you can do from anywhere in the world, and you can start right away, really fast. And especially if you don't know what's going to happen with your job or your business that you own, or you don't know what's going to happen with the law, and if you own particular businesses, the regulations are going to suffer, are going to make your business suffer, depending on where you live. Especially if you live in an area where all this virus thing is affected a lot, the restrictions are going to be huge for any business. So this is a great way. You don't have to close down your business. If you own a business, you don't have to close down. If you have a job, you don't have to just quit your job if you don't want to. Just keep the hours. If you're limited in hours, or they cut your hours or your salary or whatever it happened, you can supplement that income with affiliate marketing, because it doesn't take much time. This extra time that you might have now, because you don't have you're not working as much or whatever, you can use it to build this affiliate marketing business from the comfort of your own home, without going anywhere, without risking your health, without putting anybody in jeopardy. And it's 100% legal, because you're not around with people. You don't have to wear a mask or nothing like that. You can just do it from anywhere in the world. You can talk about your passion. If there's something that you're passionate about, and there's a product about it that you can promote, go for it. Talk about this. Talk about your passion. There's all kinds of stuff. If you're very passionate about this virus right now, and the quarantine and all that stuff, talk about it and promote stuff related to that. If you're passionate about health, how to stay healthy from home and all that, talk about the health and recommend health products. Okay, just right below, click on the links below, the live training and the business opportunity that are great right now for health related products, especially for right now, affordable and high quality. And like and subscribe this like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more information about how to make money from anywhere in the world. Yeah, from anywhere in the world. So you can live the life that you want, whatever you want. Peace out. Thank you.